my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
Good. I was about to say morning, it's afternoon. What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy 4.6Chris, and we're back with another video, you guys. So just to start off, hopefully the AC is not too, blasting, but it's literally hot. It's 90 degrees. Oh my god, it's 90 degrees. Yes sir, we got my favorite glasses on, man. If you guys are wondering where I got these glasses, I actually bought them in Houston when I was over there for Texas 2K. Little funny story was, we got home and me and my brother were partying and stuff. My brother stepped on them and they were my favorite glasses ever. I only paid 20 bucks for these things. So then I was like, damn right, I was bummed. I looked online, I found them for 10 bucks on eBay. If you guys want to go get some, just look up Circle Shades. You guys will find them. They were only like 10 bucks. So that little lady in the mall got me for 10 bucks, but it's all good. Back to what I was saying, man. We're back and we're going to go pick up our new weld wheels, man. For the front runners are getting mounted right now. My boy John, shout out to you, man. He came in extra clutch with this. Damn, this car needs gas. I'm in the daily right now. You guys know what's going on. A little work hoopty. So yeah, guys, I want to send a big shout out to John, man. He's been a huge help. When the welds first came in, they had like separation issues on the bead of the wheel where the two-piece meets. So he caught that. Thankfully he did. And he sent them back out, got me some new ones ASAP because he knows you guys are waiting for him. He actually watches the channel, man. So big shout out my boy John, man. Thank you so much. You guys will see him right now. First things first, man, I need to put some gas in this car and then we will meet up at my boy's shop, man. So stay tuned. Boys, we made it. Got a little V6 yellow right here. This is where we at. Texas tires. Let's go check out the welds, baby. I'm excited. Ooh. I got all these germs going on.
Yeah, all this bullshit.
Right there. Wheels ready? Shit. Go
Tires are right there.
Oh shit.
I got the cap on it.
Oh hell yeah. Yeah, I need drag slicks. Yeah, dude, these look awesome. Hell yeah. 6? Okay. Hell yeah, man, they look freaking. Oh man, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm about to get teary-eyed. Holy shit, John, thank you so much, man. I didn't really put the camera in his face, man, because I know some people just don't like being on camera. But these welds look so amazing. Guys, you know what's crazy about this? If I go back to my Instagram post, like a week after I posted, man, I was like, I will have these wheels one day. My dream wheels, I will have them one day. Well then, dude, within a week, I had a subscriber / follower reach out to me. I will post his name up right now. I can't remember his name on the top of my head, man. I'm going crazy right now thinking about all this right now. I had him reach out to me and he said he had that awesome deal for me for the rear wheel, for the rear welds. And he hooked me up crazy, man. And that was just my sign just to grab him real quick. And then John over here, man, I came over here to check what I could do, about getting the welds for the front, because everywhere's sold out, man. And he ended up getting them for me. And now we're about to have a full weld setup, man. And it's just gonna make the car look that much better. Oh my god, man, those things are so light. They're even lighter than the SVE drag runners that I had. The drag runners were kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie, the SVE ones, but these weld ones look damn nice, man. So man, thank y'all for all the continued support, man. I really appreciate it. I want to address something that happened in the last video. A lot of you guys were understanding. There was one guy in particular that was kind of ass hurt. I'm not gonna point him out because that's probably what he wants, but he was ass hurt. He left the concerning comment on my post, and that I don't care about my audience, that I'm in it for the money, which, guys, if I was in it for the money, let's face it, I would not be doing this. I put hours and hours of time into editing, filming for you guys like this. I look like a fucking weirdo, out here, you know, recording in front of everyone like that. And you know, to be honest, I don't make that much money, man, and it took me this long. You know, I've been grinding it out. I made videos for almost a year and a half with no pay, you know what I mean? And even now, man, I'm not getting paid that much. You know, I'm getting paid $180 to $200, and I'm not complaining, man. I'm not complaining. I'm blessed to, you know, do this and even make a little side hustle, and just to do something that I love. I mean, like, it's basically free money for me, you know what I mean? Like, I love doing this. I love doing this for you guys. I love talking to you guys. You know, I help my supporters as much as I can. When you guys DM me on Instagram, you know, I try to get back to everyone. And just the little following that I have now, man, it's getting hard because all of you guys message me. And, you know, do not feel like you cannot message me, man. I'm always going to be here for you guys. Don't matter how big I get or anything like that, man. I'm always going to be here for y'all for any questions or concerns you guys got. But, you know, that's just not the case, man. I love my audience. I love my supporters. You guys are the ones that make me, you know what I mean? Like, without you guys, what am I, you know? Y'all guys are the ones that are viewing the video. Basically, man, he got bent out of shape because I said do not skip the ads. And obviously, you know, you guys can skip the ads if you want. You know, this is free entertainment. You guys aren't paying for it. So, you know, the ads is the way we make our money, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, even if y'all skip them anyways, I'm still getting paid. I'm just saying, if you guys want to help out, and a lot of you guys are like, hey, man, I watched all the ads, and you know, I greatly appreciate that, man. But some people, you know, they just get bent out of shape like that, and I don't want people like that on my channel, man. I wish there was a block button where I could just block all the haters, man, and just have like true supporters on my channel. But low key, maybe even half of these guys that view the videos are haters, and they're just like watching them. They're watching the movement, you know what I mean? So, you know, we're gonna keep on trucking, man, no matter what these guys say, no matter what the haters do. You know, anything you do, as long as you have haters, you know you're doing something right, man. So I love all you guys that support me. We're gonna keep on grinding it out for y'all, man. Huge things coming, man. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna get to my crib real quick. We're gonna throw these welds on, and then we're gonna come back, and my boy's gonna mount my new drag slicks, man. Them things look nice, baby, so let's go. Oh my God. Dudes, this thing looks so good. Oh my God. Look at that. I mean, not obviously with those rusty calipers, but I mean those rusty rotors, but we're gonna be getting some drilled and slots soon. So let's go, baby. Other side, baby. All right, man, wheels are on. They look damn good. I was kind of worried about this since these are brand new and these are old. You know, they're even dirty too. I haven't washed them, so I'm gonna have to give those a good polish to make them match. But you guys can see the new center cap, and the old center cap is black. So I got that taken care of already. I ordered new caps, so my boy John's gonna go throw them on for me real quick. So we got a haul ass over there now, man. We're gonna drop the car. We're gonna drop the car low. See the fitment on them, and then yeah, man, let's go. Next up.
They're gonna polish the back ones.
Yeah, no shit.
Fucked up.
But you see how the fronts have that.
He finally listened to what the fuck I had to say because he was putting black shit on that thing. It looked like a fucking Mohawk car.
You like the old school look, right? The polish. Yeah. No. You leave that on.
No, take it off. Shit off.
No,
there.
that stays on.
No, you don't. It's gonna get hot and melt.
No, look, this one came off just from fucking cleaning them. But look.
Sticks on that motherfucker?
Yeah, you see how this one's a black cap? I got new ones to match front ones.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna shit on it.
I got the new wheels on, and you know I got a thumbs up from my dad and my brother, so that's good because those guys are the biggest critics in my life. So they like them, man, so that's good. We head over there right now, get the new slicks put on, man. Hell yeah, we're in business. So man, they look damn good, but now the back ones need to be polished like my dad said. So yeah, guys. So yeah, as you guys know, I used to have a 28 on this thing. We're moving down to a 26. That's the main reason why I'm switching these tires out. I think they're still good. They were still hooking at the track, but the tire was a little bit too big. That's why I was telling these guys over here, the 26 is gonna be, you know, it's gonna pick up some more mile an hour in the top end. And you can see how much smaller this freaking tire is. It's crazy. You wanna tell them about the shop or what, John? Shit.
Shit, yeah, man. Do wheels, tires, nitrous kits, everything like that. Everything you want to do on payments. We get it all taken care of.
Yeah, you guys don't have to come over here and, like, you know, drop like $2 grand on new wheels or anything like that. They do financing available. And he actually told me they do nitrous kits and stuff like that. I didn't even know that. So if you guys want to come over here, what's the address over here?
4473 Baldwin.
4473 Baldwin.
Yep.
Yeah, and just hit up John, or you guys can call. I'll put the number on the screen right here, and you guys can just call him. You know, he could give you some quotes or whatever. So for all you guys need, these guys are gonna get me right now. Put on their new wheels. Hell yeah.
Now I can never do nothing right. Spending days aside trying to figure out myself. I don't want to live, don't want to die. I don't want to fight, but it's hard when I hate myself. Spending every day wonder why. I don't want to lie, but the truth never really get felt. Got me guessing if I'm really well. I don't want to fail, but my heart keeps shutting me down. Me down, me down. But my heart keeps shutting me down. Me down, me down. But my heart keeps shutting me. I never know which way to go. You said that.
Some new tires are on. We thought there was gonna be a big gap, but it's not really too bad. It made the wheel look a little bit bigger now because the tire's so small, so I like it. It looks sick. Now it has room to flex. Before, the tire was all the way up here, you know, rubbing. It looked good, but it was rubbing bad in the inside, so hell yeah. Hell yeah, car's all finished up. I want to send a big shout out to my guys over here at Texans Tires. They really helped me out, man. They hooked it up. Car looks amazing. You guys are really helpful over here. If you guys are looking for anything, you know, for your cars, go ahead and hit them up. Like I said, they have great financing, you know, options available. Shit, man, I cannot wait to get back on the track with these 26s, man. Air these down to about 15 psi. Shout out my boy SVT Art. You're the reason I got these. These things are gonna flex hard, man. I cannot wait. Sheesh. All right, man. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, take it easy, bro.
Hell yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. What was your name?
On the road, man. Diego.
Diego. Jake. Sweet, man.
I'll take a picture in front of the shop.
Okay. All right, guys. Car's all finished. I'm kind of sweaty. It's all humid out here now. It's all ugly. I'm move this table off. What do you guys think, man? Do you guys think I did good? Switching to the welds? I mean, of course I did, man. How could you not like the welds, baby? Woohoo! Like my pop said, man, it gives it that little. Well, I'm about to check. Make sure I got my keys. Man, that tire looks a little bit low, but yeah, man, it gives it that new, you know, retro look. Also with the drag look, also though. And the 26, like I said, man, it looks like a smaller tire, so it actually made the rim look like it got a little bit bigger, man. So that 26, man, that thing's gonna flex. Hell yeah, man. Just look at how it's going in already. That thing just wants to flex, man. The guys over there, they got me, you know, they tricked me into doing a little burnout. So this is the burnout right here I did. Yeah, guys, a little bit of a little smoky burnout, you know, just to set the tires, you know, take them tire tags off real quick. Yeah, man, I could definitely feel the mile an hour picking up on this this smaller tire already. Damn, this dog. But yeah, man, this the setup's gonna be nasty at the track. So yeah guys, real quick, I want to send a big shout out to my boy John over there at Texas Tires, man. That's the guy who set me up with everything, you know, he helped me out. Shout out to the guys that put him on, you know, the team over there that helped me out. Yeah man, without you guys, none of this would be possible. You know, I would not be filming anything. Car looks amazing, man. I cannot wait to go back to the track. And you know, we still gotta do some more upgrades. We gotta do the Cobra brakes. We got to, you know, do a little bit of suspension, and then we're gonna try out these new wheels at the track, man. These wheels look freaking amazing. That's probably all I got for you guys today, man. Look forward to next video. Next video I'm gonna be revealing my custom license plate. Now this guy's cutting the grass, so we gotta wrap it up. So yeah, I'm gonna be revealing my new license plate, and then probably after that we will be installing my Cobra brakes, and then, you know, just doing some more stuff along the way every single Tuesday, man. You know I post every single Tuesday. We'll see you guys next week, man. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Thank you for all the love, man, all the continued support. We'll see you guys next time, man. Peace.
But I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I knew it.